In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Chrome homepage in just a few simple steps. This is a quick but really useful setting if you want Chrome to open your favorite website when you click the Home button, whether that's Google, your YouTube channel, a news site, or any page you visit often. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access all of your browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. On the Settings page, find and click Appearance in the left-hand menu. This section controls how Chrome looks and some of the buttons that appear in your browser. Now, look for the option called Show Home Button. Turn that setting on. As soon as you enable it, Chrome will show a home button near the address bar, so you can use it anytime. After that, you'll see a choice for what page opens when you click Home. Select Enter Custom Web Address. This lets you set your own home page instead of using the default one. In the box that appears, type the website you want Chrome to open. For example, you can enter google.com, youtube.com, or any other website you want to use as your homepage. Make sure the address is correct so it opens the right page every time. Once you enter the website, Chrome saves it automatically. Now test it out by clicking the Home button near the top of the browser. You should see Chrome open the exact page you selected. And that's it. Your Chrome homepage is now changed. This is a simple setting, but it can make your browsing experience a lot faster and more personalized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.